Hi, and welcome to your crypto news update for May 1st to May 17th, 2025. Let's dive into the biggest stories shaking the market. Starting with Bitcoin, the price of BTC surged past $104,000 on May 16th. According to the Economic Times, the rally was driven by hopes for upcoming U.S. interest rate cuts and increased institutional buying. However, despite Bitcoin's strength, altcoins had a mixed reaction, with some lagging behind. Ethereum also made headlines. As Cointelegraph reports, ETH gained over 43% between May 7th and 14th, climbing to around $2,600. Analysts cited growing interest in artificial intelligence applications and expectations of inflows into a potential spot Ethereum ETF as reasons ETH might continue its push toward the $5,000 level. Now, on to regulations. A major development came from the U.S. Senate, which is on track to pass the GENIUS Act, the first comprehensive bill aimed at regulating stablecoins. Barron's explains that the bill will require stablecoins to be fully backed by safe, liquid assets and will enforce strict anti-money laundering rules. Meanwhile, the SEC is working on fresh crypto rules. Reuters reports that Chair Paul Atkins announced plans to introduce clearer guidelines for digital tokens that qualify as securities. The goal? To promote fair trading while cracking down on abuse. But that's not all on the regulatory front. The blockchain.news outlet revealed that two key CFTC commissioners, Summer Mersinger and Christy Goldsmith Romero, are stepping down this May, raising questions about future crypto oversight from the CFTC side. In the industry, Coinbase is making moves. Lowenstein Sandler confirmed that Coinbase will officially join the S&P 500 on May 19th, becoming the first crypto-native firm to achieve that milestone. At the same time, Reuters reported that Coinbase is planning to acquire the Deribit derivatives exchange in a $2.9 billion deal, signaling a strong push into the crypto futures market. However, it wasn't all good news. The Times uncovered that hackers attempted to breach Coinbase systems by bribing overseas employees. While no funds were lost, the attack exposed sensitive customer data and could cost the company up to $400 million in fallout. There was also a disturbing story from the Times of India, a kidnapping attempt on the daughter of a crypto CEO in broad daylight in Paris. This event highlights growing concerns about the safety of crypto executives and their families, especially in Europe. On the global stage, Axios reported that Arizona became the second U.S. state, after New Hampshire, to launch a crypto reserve fund. The initiative is designed to help residents capture gains on unclaimed crypto assets instead of liquidating them prematurely. One more update. Wikipedia now lists the launch of the Pakistan Crypto Council, a government-backed initiative aimed at promoting blockchain innovation across the country. That wraps up the biggest crypto headlines from May 1st to May 17th. For more updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. See you next time.